I will be closing the assignment for January. I will be closing the assignments for January, so if you have any January assignments that you're missing, you want to turn them in tomorrow. I'll be closing them.
I don't have the paper.
Yeah, all the way up until the competition, you can do Alex topics. Whatever you do, it closes on Sunday, and then I get the report on Monday.
So the last thing you're putting my grade is our Alex topic?
No. The last thing I'm going to put in is your homework that you just turned in. And the picture of your notebook. Because grades are due. So, tomorrow, I'll be here myself, all alone.
You know, but then you're happy.
Just bring your dog.
Why are you gonna switch yourself at me?
Alright.
Wait, can you actually?
No, I can't.
Actually, I'm not reading not.
Alright. Let's open up your packet.
I brought my dog to school yesterday.
Okay, ignoring Ruben. Okay, page 16. Please do not work ahead of me. You will regret working ahead of me. So you're going to cause yourself more work if you work ahead of me. So stay with me on page 16. Page 16. All right. On page 16, let's look at this. Now, what information, Jordan in class, what information do I provide you on page 16?
The graph.
The graph. Exactly. I do not provide you a story. I do not provide you any points here, right? All the Y's are empty, so I didn't provide you points. I only provide you an actual graph that's graphed, right? So, let me show you the easiest way to solve for unit rate. Write this down. Always, I'm going to zoom it in because I need you to write this down. Look for the 1 on X, okay? So look for the 1 on X. So on page 16, which is what we're supposed to be doing, since the bell rang 15 minutes ago.
That long ago?
All right, look for the 1 on X. So here, this is X, right? So you're going to look for 1. There it is. Now go up to the dot. There it is. And now turn left. So go up to the dot and then turn left. That is my unit rate. So wherever the dot is on 1, that is your unit rate. So the unit rate for this problem would be 4. Orlando on task. Okay. So what goes next is 0? 0. So we look at 1. It's 4. Now look at the table. I'm sorry, look at the graph. Go to 2. Go up. Turn left. What number is that?
8.
8. Go to 3. Go up. Turn left. What number is that?
Do we have to show that?
Yes, because on the next problem it's actually harder. I didn't show the second period, and a lot of kids got the rest of it wrong because I didn't show them this. Because the other ones are decimals, and they didn't do very good. All right, what is 3? 12. What is 4?
16.
What is 5?
20.
6?
24.
And 10?
40.
Will be 40 because we can do, oh, actually it's on your graph. If you go to 10, all the way up to the dot, and then all the way to the left, you'll get 40. Okay? It's going up by 4. That's why your unit rate is 4. Multiplying by 4. Will cost $4. Slice of pizza. I like it. We haven't done that. Okay. The cost of 3. Okay, the cost of 3 slices of pizza. If you want to change it, feel free to change it. The cost of 3 slices of pizza is, how much is 3 slices of pizza based on this chart? $12. 3 slices. 12.
So we're done with that one?
No.
Oh, yeah, we need to put the equation.
You need to put the equation.
Y equals 4x.
Y equals 4x.
Okay, one more thing missing.
Is the equation going to change or no?
This is something I grade, so you've been turning in worksheets I've been grading, and then some I still haven't graded. I also look, did you label your X and did you label your Y? If you don't label your X and Y, you do lose points. So what is your X?
Slices of pizza.
Okay. And then what is your Y?
Money.
Okay. Unless you change it to something different, it is pizza slices and money. But if you use something different, you use something different. We okay?
Yeah.
All right. Now, without writing anything down, do not write anything down. Look at the bottom graph. Don't write anything down. Look at the bottom graph.
Oh, the dots are not.
What is my unit rate on 3? 1, 2, 3.
140.
70.
2.10.
Oh, 70 cents.
2.10. 4.20.
1.20. Wait.
170.
What?
No, it's 1.4. 1.4.
Because it
1.4.
has the little dot right there.
Yeah. it's
Oh.
1.4. That's what I said.
I know, but then you heard him
It's
and you changed your mind.
But then I changed it.
Yes.
Didn't make me.
Actually, I was very impressed with the fact that the first answer out of the first people's mouth was 1.4. Because every time I teach this, second period included, they always say 0.70. So the kids in second period, they worked ahead of me, and I caught 5 kids with their whole table. Second period was all wrong. Like, they worked ahead of me because they're kind of used to working ahead of me, even though I told them not to. Why would they make the mistake of saying, and some of you did, 0.70?
Because usually it's like that. But
Yeah.
now it's going up.
It's usually, that's what we do, right? This is usually our unit rate, right?
Mhm.
Did you write down these numbers?
No.
No. So, Genesis, let's focus on this, not on that person. When you do not write the numbers, they're going up by random stuff. So don't trust it. What you're supposed to do, Sophia, and you said it correctly, you have to find the dot. So go to 1, go up to the dot, wherever the line is, the dot is. Then you turn left. Don't turn left before. That's not the street.
You said 3.
No, go to 1.
It's wherever the first dot is.
It's wherever the 1 is. You want to look for the 1. Tuesday when we come back, I will teach you when there is no 1, what to do when there is no 1. Today, I give you the 1. But I don't make this nice. I make it hard. So find your dot. You got to find the dot, then turn left. So what is my unit rate?
1.4.
1.4. Yes, the dot is what you're looking for. You're looking for 0 and the dot. So, go to 2. Here's 2. Go up to the dot,
2.8.
and then turn left. This is why, Dylan, I made such a big deal with the first problem about drawing your lines up and over, up and over. Bella, can you please do this?
Okay. Wait. I didn't mean that. No, I didn't mean it like that.
Well, I did address him before, so he could still continue. Process.
I just realized that the original graph, they're squares, but the other ones, they're rectangles. Like the shape.
Bro, what?
Whenever you go left, it's a rectangle.
Mmm.
Wait, what?
Interesting.
6 and
I
8?
see. I see what you're saying.
How about 6 and 8?
All right, 6 and 8. How do I figure out 6 and 8? What do I do? What did you do yesterday?
140.
What is it?
Multiply.
Add 140 so it would be.
You can add 140, or Dylan, multiply by 140. So 1.4 times 8. Bella? Fill in the rest. I know some of you already did. So when it's not on the graph, then you got to do the math. Multiply by 8 or keep adding. Look at the dots. What are the dots? What are the numbers? For some of you, this is easier than anything we've done. I mean, the past 2 weeks have been easy, but this one's like super easy. So read the graph. Hey, you can have a question as easy as this. 4 what? What's next to the 4? What's next to the 3? All right, Orlando, what's next to the 2?
What?
What's next to the 2?
2.8.
Thank you. Jaden, C, what's next to the 3?
3, 4.2.
Okay, what is it?
I said
3. Oh, I see. What. Okay. Good. The first thing out of your mouth was 3, so I was just like, wait, what? I know. But my brain heard 3 first. That's why I got confused. Jackie, what's next to the 4? Very good. Brianna, what's next to the 5? Thank you. Daphne, what goes next to the 6? 9. Really? 9? Can you confirm 9? No.
I got 8.4. I got 8.4.
Yeah, it's 8.4. Thank you for confirming. Daphne and I wanted to make sure if you were paying attention. Okay, 9. No, 8. What is 8?
9.8. 11.2.
11.2. All right. What's $1.40?
I said it's weird.
It's $1.40. I know.
Candy.
Yes. The cost of
Chips that
3
pencils.
donuts is $4.20. Can you change donuts to whatever you want to say? Yes, you can. You can change that. Whatever you make this, I made it donuts, $1.40 for a donut. When I was a kid, donuts used to be a lot cheaper than what they are now.
There's
When I
a
was
place
a
in,
kid, I would do donuts.
it's
Wait, what?
in
That's
San
why I
Diego.
did it.
San Diego where their donuts are like $1.
Wow,
And they're really
I
good
started
too.
playing Fortnite.
that's good.
Wait,
Donuts. All right.
Shaggy,
What? All right. Your assignment for today is going. Oh wait, I forgot the equation. What's the equation?
Y equals 1.4x.
You guys sound so high school kids. Very good.
It's y equals 1.4x.
Wow, you sound so algebraic.
Wait, can I
This sounds like an algebra.
Okay, just a reminder. You gotta pass math to get a high school diploma.
What? Wait, so you don't have to pass English?
Well, yeah, I mean, I'm curious about those, but
What if
I
you
don't
get
like
dropped?
English.
What if
The
I'm
only
passing
thing I
every
need in
other
my
class?
life is math.
What if we drop out to play
Don't you just
football?
I'm gonna go pro.
again
What's the point?
and again
What's the
and
reason?
again.
What's the reason for science and
All right. So, will you be doing this, gentlemen, ladies? Will you be doing this in high school? Very similar. Will you be writing equations in high school? Yes. Do they make it a little bit harder? Yes. But you understanding that it starts with the y equals and then your unit rate x will help you later on. If you are able to get these dots on your paper correctly, you're going to have to do that in high school. And yes, again, you have to pass high school in you have to pass math in high school to graduate. There's no way around it.
I was like, you have to pass high school to
Look.
pass high school?
The other subjects, yeah, whatever. But math, I care about. You 100% have to pass it.